Do you know that you can add people into your Canva so that while you're working on your project, the other people that you have added also has the access to your project. That means your Canva account. So I'm going to show you in this video exactly how to give access to the people. So it's very simple. All you have to do is follow along. So this is the Canva page, and you have to go to the top section. Here you can see your profile icon, and right beside that you can see a plus icon. Simply tap in there, and that is people with access. So in order to add people, you have to simply add names, okay, add emails, or you can also add their Canva name or like their profile name, whatever they have. And you can type in here, let's say, okay, you can add like random emails like that, and by that you can simply tap in add, and you can tap in this share option, and by that you'll have people will have access to your account. So that's it. This is how you add people to your Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.